Hello viewers, the user base of iPad 10th generation is huge, and recently Apple has released iPad OS 18.0.1. So a lot of users actually want to know about the performance of this iPad OS 18.0.1. I have been using this new iPad OS for a couple of days, and today in this video I will share my honest thoughts regarding this update. After this new iPad OS 18.0.1, I have formatted my iPad 10th generation, as a result of which the system data in my iPad, as you can see here, is only 3.53 GB. So a lot of users are in confusion how the system data is so less. So I would suggest you to back up your device and then format it to have more space in your iPad 10th generation. After this new iPad OS, lot of changes have been made. As you can see here, a new changes, that is suggestions, is there, and also you will get the hidden folders that was available after 18.0 update. After every update, I am getting new things, as a result of which I am enjoying using this tablet very much, and I have tested the HDR videos on this iPad 10th generation after new update, and you can see that I can easily play the 4K 60 FPS videos, though it doesn't support HDR videos, but it will be played in non-HDR mode, and the quality of the display is really very good. I actually thoroughly enjoy multimedia content on this tablet, plus it is very portable. Also it comes with stereo speaker, so you will have a great multimedia experience, be it display or its speakers. Then I tested it on Netflix, and in Netflix also the color algorithm of Apple on iPad 10th generation is excellent. You will get vibrant and bright display, and also the saturation level is on point. So all I can say that this is a very good update, and you must update to the latest version if your iPad is under warranty. And if your iPad is out of warranty, in that case you have to think twice before updating to the latest version. One more thing that I like about iPad 10th generation is the weight distribution. It is very lightweight and portable. You can carry this tablet anywhere and you can manage it. The battery life of this iPad 10th generation after iPad OS 18.0.1 is satisfactory. As you can see here, the battery percentage is at 54%, and I have used this tablet for 2 hours and 15 minutes, and I have mostly used it in Netflix. As you can see my usage pattern and the battery percentage. I normally use this tablet for 2 to 3 hours per day, so it gives me very good battery life, and I usually charge this device after 2 days or so. Plus the multitasking is as smooth as it was before. So in the conclusion, I must say that iPad OS 18.0.1 is an excellent update. Externally I felt no difference in this update, but internally Apple has made a lot of changes, so you will have a great experience using iPad 10th generation using iPad OS 18.0.1. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. And if you have any questions regarding this update or any other tablet, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.